Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So we have been using Shopify for a while now and you just wanna understand your actual sale, customers and even traffic better. So Shopify Analytics is your best tool. In today's small tutorial, I'm really gonna show you on how to actually use them. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. Well, first we're gonna go all the way to Shopify.com as usual, the usual stuff. Then they're gonna give you a new window where you should log in using your email address and password. As for now, we're gonna go all the way to Analytics in this left corner. You will be able to see the review, reports, live view even. So now, you should understand the dashboard. Review key metrics like total sales, sessions, conversion rate, and even average order value. You should be able to see gross sales, discounts, returns, net sales, shipping charges, return fees, and even the total sales. You can also change the date range. Use the date picker at the top to compare daily, weekly, or even monthly. It all depends on you. Last 30 minutes, last 7 days, it's all on you basically. You can even view detailed reports. Click on reports here to access sales, customers, and even behavior reports. Filter and customize the reports if you want to, by creation, by category, include, it depends on you as well. Export the data if you need it for later by tapping on export to download reports as CSV files that you can open later using basically another software. And that's it. Thank you all for watching and I will see you in the next video.